press record, start talking. Now I don't know what's gonna come out of this video, because I'm not used to doing this, but this is something different. I just wanna spill my, let's say, beans, share my thoughts with you, anybody who's watching this video. And I know that you're not used to making me do this, but I think this is necessary in these hard times. I think you and I really need to share this stuff on screen. Is this a bull? Is this a bear? Well, let's just talk and be friends. For now, I will roar and you will listen. Thank you for that. And one more time, thank you for still being a part of this video. I hope you won't regret it. Let's have a friendly chat. Now, what you are seeing, this chart, is total market cap. So every crypto that exists in one chart. Monthly chart, every candle is 1 month. But I don't want to focus exactly on the chart. The chart is just here to give us some line of thoughts, some factual stuff that is on the screen. My intention for this video is just to freely speak, no matter the charts, no matter anything about current situation in the crypto market. Because as you know, if you follow my YouTube channel, you know that we always talk about technical analysis, charts, facts, not so much personal thoughts. So this is different. I want to tell you what I think, where we are in the cycle. I want to tell you what's going on and running through my mind. So where are we? Listen. If you watch any of my few hundred videos, you know that I never talked about the bear market, and I will not start now, because for me, we never left the bull market. And sure, we can go into the depths of why and where, and I will show you later in the charts why just looking at this, what you are looking right now, this monthly chart of all the crypto combined, we don't have a proof, but that is not important for now. You know that the sentiment right now is so bearish, so extremely fearful, so disgusting, that you would think that we are closer to zero than where we are now. Now, one more time, are we in a bear market? If you ask me, no. Are we going towards the bear market? If you ask me, and you're not, but I'm saying no. Maybe I'm perma bull. Maybe I'm hopelessly in love with crypto. I don't think that is the case, but you need to have that probability. Now, regarding that sentiment that I just mentioned, we are extremely fearful. I believe it's now months, and so little of investors are still here, really the hardcore ones, that there is not enough people to be frightened at the moment. So, since you think, and I don't know if you are, but let's say you think we are in bear market. Okay, let's say you expect a more corrective phase of what is happening, so a brutality to come. If you think that we are now extremely fearful, now if we go lower from these levels that we are today, what will happen to the sentiment? Well, I don't see nothing else, no other option than for all us to die. Because what is beneath extreme fear? Death. We will go into shock, into the coma so severe that none of us will ever again believe in the crypto market, right? So yeah, think about it logically. If we are extremely fearful at those levels that we are today, and you are expecting more and more brutal downside targets, what the sentiment will be? 0? Or the best case scenario, 1. Come on, wake up. I'm making this video right now as the sentiment is shitty, as the sentiment is really fearful, and that everybody in their mother's name is calling the bear market. I will not do that, because I don't believe in the bear market yet. And I want to say this clearly now that everybody is calling the bear market. Not in a few months, when there will be no, let's say, I don't know, space for a bear market narrative, when we go much higher than we are today. Now sure, this corrective phase, this consolidating phase could last a few more months. That is true. But are we in a bear market? I don't think so. So why staying bullish despite all the bad things that are happening in the last few months. Well, let's now just look at those candles, a few ones, monthly candles on the chart. Now you can see this big move from the March of 2020 and a really nice uptrend that we had for months. After that, we established a new high and made a retracement, which was of course low. But what happened after that is giving me a clear factual proof that nothing is indicating bear market. We made a higher high, and not only that, we made a higher low than the previous one. So once again I'm asking you, on the big chart, what is giving you the proof of a bear market? Yeah, we are correcting, we are slowly, very slowly, snail-like slowly, moving in a sideways manner for, I don't know, almost a year now. But this is not the sign of a real bear market. That's all I'm gonna say, that's all I mean by this talk. So on the big chart, we don't have no lower high, no lower low. So why call the bear market? Okay, facts are the facts, but this is not about the facts. All that I said regarding the sentiment, technical analysis, and exactly you who are watching this video, you are amongst the few that are really watching this video, because I already said it in my previous video. Listen, I got more than 6,000 subscribers, almost 7,000 at this moment. That is not important. The important thing is that approximately when I publish a video, only, check this out, 100 of you are watching it. The interest in the crypto market is so freaking low that by continuing this corrective move to the downside, the real bear market, as you like to call it, would put us one more time into the coma state of shock, permanent death. Markets don't function that way, I believe, and these are all my beliefs. We are going higher from this point on, not literal this point on, but you know what I'm gonna say. For 2022, I will expect higher prices, breaking all those all-time highs that we made a few months ago, and the new mania phase. Maybe we don't peak in this year, although it is a high probability if you ask me. No one is expecting that at this point, but we will not go into that popularly called crypto winter. Nah, step back, zoom out, look at this, for example, monthly chart. This is not a bearish looking chart, although your heart is telling you this is monstrosity. It's not. For me, this is a bullish looking chart. For me, this is not saying this is the end. This is saying continuation is about to come. We will have another mania, another altcoin season, another big bull run of Bitcoin and friends. 100,000 for sure, maybe, and for me probably 200,000 regarding just the Bitcoin. You don't know what crypto space is capable of. We need these black times, this really negative months to wash the weekends. And you are not the weekend. You, yes, you are watching this video because you are doing just that, watching this video. Do you know how hardcore you have to be to watch this video? Pretty badass hardcore. I'm proud of you. Not because of you watching this video, but because you stayed in the space, because still you believe in this narrative. Not crypto winter, but a crypto revolution that is definitely coming. I hope you're sharing my thoughts, and if you're not, that's okay. That's perfectly fine, normal, or whatever you want to call it. Because who said that I am right? I just did what's on my mind, spoke freely. I could be completely wrong, we could be in the crypto winter, but I needed to lay this off my chest. I needed you, my constant viewer, to know what's hiding in this lizard brain, in this space between the dinosaur ears. If you're still here, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And watch this video, it could be fun, it could be interesting. Let's move back to the tracks of technical analysis, cause this is the stuff we like the most. Stay strong, and I'll see you in that video.